a point when you get like a certain comfort in the tree, and then you spend like 4 or 5 hours just up in the canopy, moving around, and you feel comfortable doing it. And you get down to the ground and your legs are wobbly a little bit, and at night you're lying in bed and you're still feeling the feeling of moving around in the canopy, and you're excited to go back and do it again. Employers want to hire people who have college experience or who have an academic sort of education in this stuff. And so it made it really easy, lots of callbacks. And yep, so I have a job lined up and ready, waiting for me, so it's going to be nice to jump right into it. And also the other thing about learning from Eric and Andrew and learning more about the industry is you get to be a more educated candidate. Like, you're able to pick the company that you want to work for, and you're able to talk to the employer and know who you actually want to be working with, and who's going to be really who's going to push you in the right ways and who's going to teach you more. The amount of outdoors work obviously is huge, and if you enjoy it, kind of pushing yourself and getting out of your comfort zone and redefining your comfort zone every once in a while, then it's a program for you.